Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I've got the new 999 reassembled. I did a video on it. I had to replace the intermediate gear. Now this got here about noon, so about 6 hours ago now, something like that. And I had to pull the intermediate gear out and replace that. I pulled the wheels off to be able to do that. And while I had it apart, I cleaned the wheel bearings, cleaned the armature, the brushes, the brush springs, the brush wells, lubed it and tuned it, and this 999 is running really well. So 12 bucks from eBay, and had to replace the intermediate gear, and this is running just absolutely splendidly now. That's 40% power. As you see, running extremely well, nice and smooth, completely different than it was running when it arrived. So this is a pre-war 999, so this is 80 years old. What I'm going to do with it yet, I have no idea. I don't know if I'm going to repaint it. For right now, I'm just going to run it as is, do a bit of touch-up on it. And like I said, you can just respray this with black paint. It'll look virtually new. This is in really decent shape. So pre-war motor, has a new intermediate gear, running just absolutely splendidly. So I just want to do a follow-up video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.